So from orthodoxy, right, to heterodoxy, right? If we just frame a question that Pabad has traveled a long way from orthodoxy to heterodoxy, comment, right? So Waldo uses this concept. He is trying to say that public administration, right? Public administration is inspired, influenced by multiple disciplines, right? It has multiple meanings. It is multi-perspective in nature. So obviously, it talks about diverse ideas at the same time. Orthodoxy was more focused on making public administration a science. Heterodoxy believes that it is art as well as science both. जैसे वॉल्डो का कॉन्सेप्ट है भाई कोर एंड पेरिफेरी. So Waldo says, see, public administration, the core doesn't change, right? It's a government system. It works under political framework, right? But periphery keeps changing. Boundaries keep shifting. The center doesn't change. What is the center? The center is public bureaucracy. So जब पबैड को हम वोकेशन या प्रोफेशन की तरफ पढ़ेंगे तो हम बोलेंगे कोर फंक्शंस विल नॉट चेंज. वेलफेयर, जस्टिस, रेगुलेशन, कंट्रोल, protection of weaker section, these will be always there. Now if you want, you can add new functions to them. So when you talk about cyber safety, privacy, right, environmental conservation, all sustainable development, you can do a lot of things, but still the core remains intact. So heterodoxy talks about this idea.
So what can be the periphery functions?
Periphery is dynamic in nature. So today it is technology and globalization, right? Or today it is, we are talking about cyber security, social media, right? Localism, neo-localism, बहुत सारे aspects बोल रहे हैं.
Okay, so 50 years back we were looking more into technology, but now
we are into
environment-friendly technology.
Correct. So our boundaries are porous, flexible boundaries, right?